Country of origin is United States. Item package length 1.27 centimeters. Item package width 5.59 centimeters. Item package height 8.64 centimeters. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect tape for fake mustache. It worked perfectly. In fact, my son took it off to show me how he doubled it up and put it right back on, and it stayed for the duration of the day. Great fabric tape replacement. I've used this for the past few years in lieu of fabric tape. Has held through clubbing, dance performances and hot summer days. 10 out of 10 recommend. Only thing to be aware of is skin can sometimes turn a bit red after taking it off, but I've never broke out in hives, rashes from it, and I have very sensitive skin.